Hey, and welcome to another episode of 365 Thoughts on Confidence. If you're new here, my name is Abigail, and these are daily videos where we talk about confidence for women and girls. Women and girls, because the more we all talk about our confidence, we talk about how we can build it and what we need to do to work on it, the more we can become our most confident selves, and then we can create the life and the business and the reality that we want for ourselves. Isn't that right, Olivia?
Yeah, or you can dig up stones and play in your Play-Doh.
There we go. Or you can dig up stones and play with your Play-Doh. So today is day number 186, and we are talking again about fear. So let's... Fear. Do you feel fear?
Not really.
Not really. Okay. Well, that's good for some. Let's get started on today's video. Make sure you watch this whole video all the way to the end so that you can get the details on how you could win a spot or a ticket to my confidence workshop happening on the 4th of August in Cape Town. Today is day number 186, and the thought of the day is: there's nothing like that feeling of getting through that thing you feared. Is that right, Olivia?
Yep.
I feel the same way about fear as about like doing exercise or gym. You know, or like going for a run. I don't go for a run terribly often, but when I do, it's the feeling afterwards that I'm after. It's not just the feeling during the run or the exercise. It's that feeling of accomplishment. It's that feeling of satisfaction, of pride. It's all those good feelings that you get when you've achieved something. And so whether it is something that is just challenging for you, or it's something that you're absolutely just fearful of, getting through it, that feeling of getting through it is a great feeling. And so whenever you are dealing with something that is challenging or scary, rather than focusing on the challenge or the fear, focus on the feeling that you'll have once you reach the other side of it. That's how I feel. That's how I motivate myself to kind of push through and get on with it, because I know it's always going to feel good once you've achieved it and once you've gotten through it. So that's it. What do you think, Olivia? Do you agree?
What?
What I've just spoken about?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, good. So she agrees. I hope you agree. If you do, let me know in the comments down below. Hit the subscribe button and the notifications button so that you can get your daily boost in confidence. If you want to win a ticket to my confidence workshop, then make sure that you share this video on Facebook and then come back here and leave a comment down below with a link so I can go and see your share, and you might be winning that ticket to join me in August on August 4th. So that's it for today. I hope you have a fantastic day. Whatever you do, do it consciously, do it confidently, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye!
Bye!